Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 LDV T60 dual cab Luxe Ute, stock reference number 4774. The shape runs from the 7th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an SC28 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. SC28 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, chrome, camera type, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage. We have the left hand side skirt, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy chrome bumper cover, bumper bar with park sensors. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, chrome, camera type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic T-bar shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.